Hello everyone, Nathan here. Today I'm going to show you a tool that I just found today. And this tool is about seeing heatmap and mouse from your user on your website. This is a tool made by Microsoft and it's called Clarity. So first thing, before explaining what it does, I'm going to show you how to install this tool. And it's actually so simple, like so simple. I'm baffled by this. So here we're gonna add an extension and it's called Clarity, so check Clarity here. After it's done, you install it. I just uninstalled and now I'm reinstalling, so to show you how these work. You activate, then after you activated this, you have to select a project. So either you add a new project, or I've already created one, so you can create here. But if you want to create, of course, you put this link, this page, your website link, the industry if you want, and the name. And after you do that, you get here. You don't have anything more to do. It's done. Set it up, it's setting it up, and that's it. You're done. Everything is done. Now you have a few things that I want you to do. First, you go to Clarity Microsoft and you go to your shop. I mean your on the website, on the actual website and not on WordPress interface. And I want you to go to settings, and if you have Google Analytics and Google Ads and stuff like this, you go to your, what is it called, setup, and you link your Google Analytics, Google Ads, etc. So I'm gonna add Google Analytics first. And here you go. Check everything. As easy as that, you just have linked your GA4, and same for Google Ads. I don't think I have Google Ads, so I'm not gonna do it. And so here you go. Now you reload this, and after you added everything here, you don't have to go back here anymore, probably. I mean, if you want a better page, you can go there still, but I will do everything here now. So what you can do is when you go on dashboard, you can see Google Analytics data. So it imports from GA and imports you to your website. So I've said everything. Now this is the thing that I will explain to you what this thing actually does to your website. First thing, let me show you what it does. You can record what people do on your website. This thing records what people do on your website. And it doesn't show sensible data. You can censor it by going to masking. If you go to strict, it will censor a lot of stuff, and if you go relaxed, nobody or nothing will be censored. You can even select things you want to get censored by entering just the CSS selector here. That's it. Even like data can be hidden from this. And so when you go there, you can see what the people do on your website. Here we go. For example, I logged in before and I wanted to try to see what I was doing on the website. And this is the recording that it does. It recorded everything I did on the website. This alone is huge because I don't know what my users are doing. And sometimes I just want to see. You can even filter by all the PC devices what people do. You can filter it with so many different things. Okay, So on WordPress it sucks. I would recommend you to go there and actually see the filtering. So here you can filter by days, data, stuff, and it shows you everything he did, what the clicks he did here. You can mute some sound, you can add some filters there. I mean, this tool is so full. Like, it's better than Google Analytics in my opinion. You can check heat maps from these pages. So if you want to see heat maps, you can see where people clicks, what they do, the attention on your website, what is read, what they like to see, where do they scroll? Do they scroll a lot down or not? And you can filter it by phone data or PC data. And right now, if you check here, people stuck here a lot. People stuck here a lot on the footer. You see, this thing is so good to track landing pages, to see what people do there, to see where do they click, where do they misclick. So I link to my Google Analytics, so here's my data if you want to see. Lorem, Ipsum, Réunion, because my traffic is from Réunion Island. But this data is so well filtered. Like, you can see actual data and the understanding where the people comes from. Where do they... I mean, you have everything in here. You have everything. And if it's locked, like this one, Heatmap, it's because you don't have enough data. Just wait a few time and it's gonna actually show you all these things. Sadly, somehow, I don't know why I don't have this dashboard thing here. Sometimes you can access it. It's because it's locked, because no data. But that's it. Okay, I'm not gonna sugarcoat this. This tool is actually gonna be my main tool to be. And I'm gonna try to see if it's actually really accurate from Google Analytics. So I'm gonna cross-check data. And if there is something wrong about this, I'm gonna do another video. But this tool is the best heatmap tool ever. If you want to use GPDR compliant, if you want to be GPDR compliant on this tool, what I would recommend you is to, when you install your website, you have to get it inside a GTM integration. And in Google Tag Manager, you have to set it to the consent level you want it to be. For me, I'm not using all the data from this. I mean, I don't have sensitive data, so I'm just using it launch whenever someone is in to see what they do. And it's not linked about my GPDR thing. It's anonymous data. I don't have the IP, so everything is cleared. I know what people do. It's just for me to see what they actually do from my website. And also it's linked to my policy privacy from my website. So GTM is good if you want to make it GPDR compliant. So that it doesn't track. If you don't want people to get tracked before they accept it, you can do that in GTM. That's it for me. So many things you can do on Clarity. If you guys are interested, let me know in the comments. Maybe I could explain you more in depth about this, because I'm trying to learn this with you. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to stay for the next 30 seconds or so, I'm gonna tell you about what I'm gonna do now for this channel. So I've bought a camera lately to show myself and actually show you guys what I'm doing. If you're interested about seeing more in the future, please subscribe, share with your developer if you want this tool in your website. If you want us to integrate this, let us know on our page contact, and I will gladly help you to set it up for you. This was Nathan from Lorem Ipsum Réunion, and I'll see you next Monday. Bye now.